Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Why? It's your birthday. You should be happy.
I'm happy. It's just that
It's just that what?
my first birthday without mom.
Oh, I totally understand, okay? But you can be rest assured that mom is smiling down at you from heaven, okay?
I guess so.
You should know so. Okay, girl, you better cheer up and you have to go freshen up because it's your birthday and you do not want to come out smelling like Christmas goods now, do you? Okay, girl. I love you, baby sister. Let me go look at what's up for breakfast. Get up! Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Morning, Daddy.
Morning, dear. Happy birthday.
Oh, you remembered?
Of course. How can I not remember my little girl's birthday again?
You always forget it. Mom always had to leave a reminder for you.
Well then, we will thank mommy for the incessant reminders. Now I don't need them again.
Yeah, I know.
Do you have anything planned for your birthday?
Nothing.
Nothing? No outing with your friends?
I didn't tell them anything. It just feels so odd.
Oh, what?
My first birthday without mom.
I see.
I know I'm meant to be happy and excited and all that, but it feels so strange, so empty.
I know, my dear. Your mom will be smiling down on you on your special day.
Yeah, Taya said so.
You can see that I'm telling the truth.
I guess so. Dad, can I make use of your computer? I want to check up my email.
Sure.
And I promise no Interset website.
Sure. Anything for my birthday girl.
Thank you, Daddy.
Seriously? This girl's acting is as flat as a gassed out bottle of Coke. Jeez.
Like you can do better.
Of course I can. You know that.
Yeah, I know. Your life has been one drama after the other.
Very funny.
Girls, today is Bumi's birthday.
We know, Dad.
Yeah, we already wished her a happy birthday.
And did he say this is her first birthday since her mother died?
Yeah, she told me.
Yeah.
So, shouldn't we organize something for her birthday? At least to get her off the mood she's in now?
But how are we supposed to get all her friends here on such short notice? Many of them would have had plans.
It doesn't matter if her friends don't show up. At least our family members can come. You know, Grandma, Grandpa, Aunt Amaka,
Yeah.
and maybe Uncle Chidi, if he's free.
Great idea. Your mom's people would like to come over. At least they still want to be part of your lives.
Okay, Daddy, I'll just go call them in about a minute.
And Tayo,
Yes, Daddy.
tell them it's you and Shade's plan. Don't mention my name, okay?
Daddy, are you trying to ask me to lie?
This one is very necessary.
Okay, fine. I'll save you.
And Shade, come on, let's go do some shopping.
You know, Dad, you could have called Taya for that. At least that's her forte.
I'm going to make the call now. Forte, you speak too much English. Boring.
What's going on?
Hey, birthday girl. Well, if you must know, Dad, Sade, and I thought we'd plan a little something for you for your birthday. You know, there's no way on earth will allow your birthday just slide like that without doing something for you. You are a baby, remember?
Oh, wow. Who got this? Dad?
Nah, I did. I remember you really loved them, so I thought I'd buy one for you.
But not this color.
What does it mean? It means nothing at all. It's just color.
This is not the color mommy uses.
Bumi, well, it doesn't matter at all. It's just color. Color.
Never mind.
Hey, I guess you've seen the decorations outside.
Yeah, I've seen it, but some things weren't done right.
Really? Like what things?
What are you doing?
Trying to make chips.
Chips?
Yeah.
But I thought you were supposed to make fried rice.
Bumi, we're having a party for you in a couple of hours. And I need to get this food ready ASAP. There's really no time to make fried rice and chicken, okay?
But Mom always makes fried rice and not chips.
Mom's not here, okay? And I'm not her. You better quit being such a brat and appreciate what we're trying to do for you here.
Well, if you know you can't do it in the first place, you don't have bothered trying to do it at all.
I see she's gotten tea as well. I don't understand why she's being so difficult and overly dramatic.
One more. Just one more word from her and she will come and do all this cooking herself. What's her problem?
Anyway, let me help you, cut some things. I'm sure it will make things faster. You know how I love to cut potatoes.
Thanks.
Don't mention.
Shadi, they are here.
Okay, let me just go and open this.
Hello, Sumbo. We'll meet again.
Under happier circumstances, I hope. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Fine, sir. Good afternoon, ma.
How's everything?
It's coming along. Good afternoon, Chidi.
Okay. Chidi.
How's everything?
Amaka.
How are you coping with the children?
Yeah, I'm trying my best, sir. So, as you can see, we've been taking care of everything in preparation for Bumi's birthday. And the food is ready. How was your trip, sir?
Fine.
And you had a safe trip, sir?
Please, where is the birthday girl? I hope she's around.
Yes, Grandpa, she's in her room. She'll be out soon.
All right.
Let's hope so. I hope she is not hiding away from us.
I see no reason why my daughter should hide away from her family. Moreover, she hasn't done anything wrong.
Well, who can tell? Children are fed negative stories about their relatives by their parents, and they develop animosity towards their own people.
Well, my daughters were not brought up that way.
Yeah.
Wow, you okay?
Oh, my love.
Yes, of course we can.
I'm fine. Grandma.
Baby birthday
Thank you
for
so
anything
much,
in the world.
Grandma. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. I'm fine.
So, thank you all for coming.
I heard them enter. How's it going?
Wow. The tension out there. You can cut it with a knife.
I guess as much. I mean, I wasn't particularly expecting them to be all chummy with Dad.
Yeah, I know. Anyway, why haven't you gone out to say hello?
I will. I just need to finish this. Goodness knows that the last thing I want is Auntie Amaka breathing on my neck about my sugar consumption and then somehow turning it into a proof that Dad is an unfit parent. Imagine.
Well, I just hope they put all animosity aside and try to get along. At least for Bumi's sake.
10K says, I don't think so.
You don't?
I don't. I mean, there's so much water under the bridge. With Auntie Amaka's constant thirst for trouble. I don't know what she must have told Grandma and Grandpa that made them suddenly turn cold towards Dad. They used to be really cool before.
You know Auntie Amaka now, always wanting to have her way. She must have been really pissed off when we said we weren't going anywhere.
You should get over it, I beg. Imagine them wanting to scatter us amongst themselves like we're some bunch of abandoned puppies.
Oh, all that is in the past now. What I am more concerned about is that this party goes on smoothly, without any hiccups whatsoever.
Amen to that, sister. Amen. Come in, Grandma!
So, Sumbo, you are still doing that thing. What is it again?
A dating site.
Look, I still don't see how a man with 3 children will partake in running an adult website.
Look, Chidi, you say adults as if it's pornography.
If you ask me, they are all in the same category. I mean, what do adults go to a dating site to look for in the first place? Tell me. Isn't it a consenting partner to sleep with in the first place? Isn't it?
Chidi, don't you think that's rather judgmental and stereotypical?
No.
It's like you saying single adults go for weddings or social events to look for sleeping partners.
It's not the same thing, Sumbo.
Yes, it is.
It is not.
Yes, it is, Chidi.
I say it is not.
Chidi, yes, it is. I might not be a perfect man, but my moral standards cannot be compromised.
Here.
Moral standards. Please.
How is school, Tayo?
Oh, Grandma. School is fine, thank you, Grandma. I'm just trying to, juggle school with my job.
What?
What? Job?
Oh. You didn't know? Tayo here is a model.
Are you kidding me?
How?
Why don't you ask her father here?
Amaka, she likes what she's doing.
Yeah.
And moreover, she's making a living for herself.
Yeah.
Is that so? You allow your daughter to do things girls with questionable character do.
Grandma!
Mechano! Not a word from you, young lady. Simba. So, you fooled your hands. Watch this girl doing such nonsense. Is it how you are bringing them up?
No. When I suggested that these girls be placed in homes where they raise them well, you didn't say anything. Sumbo here is not fit to bring up these children.
That's correct. Absolutely right.
Amaka, you think it's better for them to live with a single woman than the option of staying with their father?
Sumbo, my status has nothing to do with it. You are slacking in your responsibility to these children. And it will not kill you. It will not make you less a man if you admit it.
Just because I give my children the opportunity to make their choices so that they can be responsible doesn't make me a slacking parent.
Yeah.
And moreover, her mother was aware of this and she was in support all the way.
Are you sure she didn't do that just because you wanted her to support your decision, Sumbo?
My wife had a mind of her own.
Yeah.
And I gave her the free hand to do so. She never for one day was a controlling person. Unlike somebody we know.
How dare you, Sumbo? How dare you? That is why I say these children are better off living with us.
You are incapable of taking care of these children. For Christ's sake.
You're still at it. I tell you, they're even 3 notches higher. Look at them. Where's Bumi? She went inside. I'm coming. Okay.
I said these children should go with us.
Next thing we have to do.
They can't.
Yes.
Amaka, they can't
Look,
go.
this
This man is not responsible enough.
Hey, you. Bumi. Bumi, what's wrong? Are you okay? Bumi.
Why can't they always get along? Why?
Bumi, sometimes it's not always as easy as you expect them to be.
But at least, it's not on my birthday. This is my birthday. Is it because mommy's not alive or what?
That is why I say this man is not responsible. responsibility.
Was it not my sister that was helping him look after himself?
This I beg your pardon.
Yes, these children must go with
Your
us.
sister was there for me, but I was equally taking care of your sister.
Taking care of her how?
Chidi, I'm even disappointed. If not that, grandpa.
No, these children must go with us.
They can't.
You have nothing to say in this matter.
They can't go.
They are going to
Tell me, what would you have done?
Will you stop this right now? Here.
What?
I'm sorry, but this is ridiculous. I mean, when we make plans this morning, we plan for a party and not World War III. Grandpa, Grandma, we are perfectly fine and happy here. And quite frankly, we'd rather be with our father than with anybody else. Auntie Amaka, contrary to what you might think or believe, our father is taking good care of us. And he's doing a mighty fine job at that.
Yeah.
Now, we all came here today for one reason. And one reason alone. And that is Bumi's birthday. Now, I've got my baby sister in her room crying because you all at each other's throats. I'm not saying you should be best of friends, but at least just try to get along. If not for anything, for Bumi's sake, who is the reason we are here? Please.
Shadare, you are right. All these things are pointless, and it's been very insensitive of us.
The poor girl may be feeling really bad now.
Yes.
My dear, don't worry.
We are going to stop this argument immediately. Huh? Everybody will get along with you. Amaka, what do you say? Are you okay?
Yes, we will.
Good. And on that note, shall they go and get the birthday girl so that we can celebrate?
Definitely, Grandpa.
Oh, well, so far so good. Everybody's getting along.
Even Auntie Amaka?
You know her now. She's been mostly quiet. But at least that's better than starting fires, don't you think?
10 cases, all this will last long.
10 cases, I totally agree with you. You know her now.
She can't stand
quiet places.
Everybody say B.
B. U.